Cholesterol is a fat-like, waxy substance found in every cell of your body. It is essential for several vital functions, but can also become harmful if present in excess. Let's break it down. What cholesterol does. Good side. 1. Cell structure. Cholesterol is a building block of cell membranes, helping maintain their fluidity and integrity. 2. Hormones. It is used to produce steroid hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. 3. Vitamin D. Your body needs cholesterol to synthesize vitamin D when your skin is exposed to sunlight. 4. Bile production. Cholesterol helps form bile acids, which digest fats in the intestines. When cholesterol becomes a problem, cholesterol travels in your blood, but because it doesn't mix well with water, it must be carried by lipoproteins. There are 2 main types. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, delivers cholesterol to tissues. Bad cholesterol, can build up in arteries. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, carries cholesterol away to the liver. Good cholesterol, helps clear excess cholesterol. Too much LDL, bad cholesterol, leads to atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries. Heart attack. Stroke. Peripheral artery disease. How it's measured. Blood test. Lipid panel. Key values. Total cholesterol. Ideal less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. LDL. Ideal less than 100 milligrams per deciliter. HDL. Ideal greater than 60 milligrams per deciliter. Triglycerides. Ideal less than 150 milligrams per deciliter. To prevent high cholesterol, it's essential to avoid or reduce foods that increase LDL. Bad. Cholesterol, triglycerides, and inflammation. Here's a structured guide. Foods to avoid or limit. 1. Trans fats, worst offender. Why? Raises LDL, lowers HDL, promotes inflammation. Found in packaged baked goods, cookies, pies, cakes. Fried fast food, chicken, fries, donuts. Margarine, especially stick margarine. Snacks with partially hydrogenated oils. 2. Saturated fats. Limit. Why raises LDL cholesterol. Found in fatty red meats, beef, pork, lamb with visible fat. Processed meats, sausages, bacon, hot dogs. Full-fat dairy, cheese, butter, cream, whole milk. Palm oil and coconut oil, used in baked goods. Goal. Keep saturated fat less than 10% of daily calories, ideally less than 7%. 3. Cholesterol-rich foods, moderate if you're sensitive. Why? For some people, dietary cholesterol raises blood cholesterol. Found in organ meats, liver, kidney. Egg yolks, limit if advised by your doctor. Shellfish, shrimp, squid. Moderate amounts are okay if prepared healthily. 4. Refined carbohydrates and sugars. Why? Raises triglycerides and promotes fat buildup in the liver. Found in white bread, white rice, pasta, sugary cereals, sodas and sweetened drinks, pastries, candy, and desserts. 5. Ultra-processed foods. Why? Usually high in sodium, sugar, trans and saturated fats, and additives. Includes instant noodles, packaged snacks, chips, crackers, fast food meals, frozen pizza, microwave meals. Choose these heart-healthy alternatives. 1. Replace butter with olive oil or avocado oil. 2. Replace fatty meat with fish, salmon, sardines, skinless poultry, plant-based proteins. 3. Replace white bread with whole grain bread, oats, quinoa. 4. Replace surgery drinks with water, unsweetened teas. 4. Replace fried foods with grilled, steamed, or baked meals. 5. Eat healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, nuts. 6. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. 7. Exercise regularly. 8. Avoid smoking and excess alcohol. 9. Medications, e.g. statins, if lifestyle changes aren't enough. Pro tips. 1. Read labels. Avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oil. 2. Cook at home more. Control ingredients and avoid hidden fats, sugars. 3. Choose fiber-rich foods, vegetables, beans, oats, to naturally lower cholesterol. So now you know, cholesterol is necessary for life but becomes dangerous when imbalanced. Keeping a healthy ratio of HDL to LDL is crucial for heart and blood vessel health. If this video cleared things up for you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to YCD's channel, and share with someone who value good health. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm all ears. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay wise.